Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex from Techrific back again with another Zoom video. And today we're going to be talking about recording on Zoom. So I'm currently in my Zoom meeting and I see this recording button down here. What does it do and how does it work? Well, let's first head over to our web browser in our Zoom profile, in our Zoom account, and we can head over to the Recordings tab right over here. And as you can see, we have the cloud recording option as well as the local recording option. So what cloud recording option is, it allows you to record meeting video as well as the active speaker and audio in the Zoom cloud, where the file can then be downloaded or streamed from a browser. So that is basically what cloud recording is on Zoom. It records everything in your Zoom meeting and is accessible on your Zoom cloud and then can be downloaded. Now, we would like to note that the cloud recording option is only available to paid subscribers. So with that being said, Zoom has different plans and pricing. So as you can see, most people are on the basic free version of Zoom. And then they also have three other options for Zoom meetings: the Pro version, Business version, as well as the Enterprise version. If we head over back to the Recording tab, we can see that we have local recordings. So local recordings are accessible from the computer on which they were recorded on. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. So it's really simple recording on Zoom. All you have to do is click the record button, or alternatively Alt+R, the keyboard shortcut, and
recording in progress.
It's that simple. And then on the top left, you can see that it is currently recording. You have the option to pause the recording.
Recording stopped.
Resume it.
Recording in progress.
Or you could completely stop it.
Recording stopped.
And then the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. So let's head over to the end button right over here, which says end meeting for all. And then as you can see, the meeting recording will be converted, and then it'll be brought right into our file explorer and our file library. So as you can see here, we have the audio of the meeting, we have the script of the meeting, as well as the video recording of the meeting with audio included. And it's that simple. You've just recorded your Zoom meeting. Now, if you would ever like to disable the option for recording on Zoom, you can head over to your account on Zoom and then head over to the settings page, head over to recording, and then over here you can disable local recording. And then your settings will have been updated and you will no longer be able to see the recording option in your Zoom meeting. So if we start it up, as you can see, there's no recording button. But if we turn it back on, if we enable that, there is a recording option in our meeting. So there you have it, step-by-step guide on how recording works on Zoom. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer them as always, as well as subscribing with notifications on to stay in the loop.